Oh, wait, where's my music? What the fuck? There we go. Okay, geez, I tried to time that. Hello, hi, I'm Gary the Good Boy. Let me just do one more thing here. We can get going. Am I streaming right now? Hello? Refresh? Am I not streaming? Hello? Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. Lower the quality of that. There we are. Hello. Shut up. Okay, I see it. I see it now. Okay, sweet. Okay, get this out of the way. And kinda at this point, if you're watching on YouTube, if you're wondering why you don't see the demo yet, so here's the plan. All right, let me just get this on the record right away. So we just get this out of the way, okay? The demo is done. My demo is done. I mean, Jesus, I have to add cards and we're finished, right? Everything should be done. Should be. Keyword should be. So today we're gonna make things look nice. We're gonna add all the cards we need, so it's just done. And then we're gonna play it out and see if we need to bug fix and do anything else. The plan was to give it to the artist yesterday. Hey you, how was your day? Dandy. Kissy face. Wait, where's my kissy face emote? Hold on. Mwah. Dandy. How are you? Listen, this lady was just let go from her job that she loved. So, you know, we're gonna be nice to the librarian. Well, former librarian, okay? That's why we had to riz. Okay, let's get started with today. So first of all, let's talk about the demo. So, by demo, I mean, today is pretty much just adding content. We're gonna add content and we're gonna implement abilities, and if everything works, which is just done. So we're still not gonna do JSON file or anything. This is still vertical slicey, but at least we'll be able to add these accordingly. So let's add some cards. First of all, we have to go to Fiverr and download a lot of images. Let's just get that done and out of the way. I didn't press enter. Shit, god damn it. Every day I forget to press enter on the Discord. Ugh. Boom, boom. Oh my goodness. Hold on, we're downloading a bunch of images here. It's beautiful. It's wonderful. Download that. Sorry, we're downloading a bunch of images here. I have to get these done now. Okay, so we have Pegasus. What was that? Hold on, I don't have access to anything here. Space Cadet Aphrodite, Fonzie redeeming Ghost. Oh, hi, Fonzie. So anyway, that's what today is gonna be. Well, that was like anyone was here to listen to that. Today is just adding cards and content to the game. You know, we're gonna figure out balance and do all that stuff. And just make our deck for the demo, but the logic is done. We just have to add them to the thing. Sorry, I'm downloading a bunch of images that I'm gonna show you in a second. Ooh! Space Cadet Aphrodite, you said, is all you have left is nymphs? Yes, I believe so. I believe you do. No, stop, don't. Hold on, I'm clicking like a million things here. 1 second, I gotta get these all downloaded. Okay, open file. Okay, hold on, grab. What's this? Oh, cute. Okay, grab all of this. We're gonna go over all these images because I have to resize them and everything. But I think for the demo, we have a light deck, maybe. I'm thinking about it. Blip, bloop, hi. I still don't know what deck the player's gonna have, but whatever we pick, we're gonna do like now. This is the finished. Oh no, there's still a Fiverr watermark. What the fuck? Space Cadet Aphrodite, on Fiverr, did I pay the second installment or third installment, whatever the most recent one was? Because for some reason, all of the image, well, that one doesn't. Yeah, the newest ones don't, but the second payment one does. Okay, so that's the old one. Yeah, but like Maxwell's Demon and all that, they all have this, so that's good. Hold on, let's separate these. That's good. That's bad. That's good. That's good. Gaia? Ooh, Gaia's not done. Graviton Fire Eater is Fiverred. I don't know why there's fiber overlay. That's the only time I've ever had this issue. So I'll have to double check that that payment went through because apparently fiber does not like where our current setup is. That firefly, oh my, or sorry, damselfly, excuse me. Yes, you did, will send now. Yeah, sorry, I'm not sure what happened. Malignant cell, beautiful, in its own creepy way. Maxwell's demon, what a great interpretation. Delete, fallen elf, ooh, so creepy. Love it. One beep, geese's honk, thank you for the bit. Okay, what do we got here? I say this is Rustler. I should, hold on, rename Aphrodite Leaf Dragon. We're gonna call it Leaf Dragon for gameplay reasons, because we're gonna count this as a dragon. Chat, that controversial maybe? This is my favorite version of Leaf Dragon. I think out of all the cards she's done, this had the most sketches, I think. There were a lot of sketches for Leaf Dragon, but definitely I like this one. It's so cute. And look, it's got like a little duck bill thing. Love it. Fallen Elf is so creepy. Look, she gave like jagged teeth. What's wrong with Rustler? I want... Okay, so the best AoE spell in the game is Firestorm for fire, right? Does 3 damage to everything. It is an incredible wave clear. I want to nerf it just a little bit. So I think what we're gonna do is deal 2 damage to everything, deal 4 damage to everything if you have a dragon. So the gimmick is, okay, well, you either have a really expensive dragon or a leaf dragon, which is very difficult to do because you can't have a life and a fire card in the same deck. Because they're opposing elements. Get it? I just think that'd be a cute little interaction. Graboids. We could just give you like an earth deck. Maybe. I sent them on Discord so they don't have the fiber logo. Oh. Is it the full image? Oh! Hold on. Open in browser. Oh, is that the full size? Oh, it is the full size image. Holy shit. Love Damselfly. So cute. So adorbs. Okay, so let's download all these real quick. I know at least I'm gonna need this one. So I need that one. What else do I need here? Oh, I might as well just get everything, right? Schrodinger's cat, Maxwell's demon, Archangel, Fire Reader, Gaia, Fire Spirit, or Ash Eater, sorry. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is Fire Spirit. I have an Ash Eater, hold on. Not desktop 2, programming, elements, the remake, card art. Where's my VRT Ash Eater? Hello? VRT Ash Eater? VRT, where's your Ash Eater? Hello? Wait, am I blind? Wait, where's Ash Eater? Oh, there it is. I'm blind. Okay. So there's our little VRT Ash Eater. Look at that little bug. Thank you, Aphrodite, for doing that. Oh, I almost banned you. Whoops. That would have been awkward. Oh my goodness. That would have been horrible. Okay, hold on. I don't see YouTube. Wait a second. Where's my YouTube chat? There you are. Hello. We're listening to Sims 1 building music. Almost banning the artist is crazy. Yeah, I know, right, Demon Angel? Wait, I recognize your name. You follow Aphrodite, don't you? Or somebody with a very similar name to you. Sorry, that was my phone. Hold on, I'm getting rizzed. I'm doing okay. I went over and helped my mom with her planting, and my brother and I just got back. What did you do at work today? Read any more of your book? She's asking if I'm reading. Work was horribly... Hold on. God, I'm sorry, I'm rizzing. Listen. Okay, chat. She's just got let go from her job. I'm like, I have to like, give me a second. We're gonna get to the program. Chat, the programming's done. At this point, we're just adding content. Okay, so I need to do that later. we're just making cards. Like the game is like programmed. Now we're just gonna make a bunch of creatures here for our deck. Creatures and relics. What? I almost got banned. What happened? I stepped away for a second. Oh, I just accidentally almost banned you. Hold on. Work was horribly boring since they banned me from using Reddit. Those sons of bitches. So I filed charts like a good little boy. Yeah. All right. Well, they cut you off. Yeah. HR sat me. Well, we have our like quarterly review, and usually I can like, I was about to say riz up my manager, but that would like be a problem if I said that. I was about to say like, I get really along. I do well with like authority, right? I can like be like the good boy who's like shaved and short hair and be like, oh, hello, how's it going? How's the kids? How's your kid's arm? Like I can do that all day, right? I'm great with old ladies. So it's, I go to my manager and she's like, hey, listen, we're gonna bring in a few other people here. And at this point, honest to God, I thought I was getting fired. So in comes HR lady and my boss's boss. And I'm like, oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, goddamn motherfucker. I'm like, this is it. This is my life now. They all sit down. It's like, okay, listen. All right. Nobody reported anything. This was not an individual's like reporting you or anything. We looked at our internet history of like where everyone's at in terms of usage, and you've been using a lot of Reddit. And I've been like, oh, yeah, you know, I just do it when I'm like doing stuff in front of my computer because I like fold kites and stuff. And I do a lot in front of the computer. And I'm just incidentally looking at Reddit and stuff. And they're like, listen. And I was like, okay, don't even need to explain it. Okay, I'll just stop using it. And they're like, yeah. So I have it filed on my my file, my permanent report for the next year. I'm on basically probation. Say you listen to music? Oh no, they know. Oh, they know. I have chat. I don't even know if you guys know you can do this. At work, I'm the one who started this. Okay, music.youtube.com. YouTube has basically Spotify. What is being recommended to me? What is this? Boom, 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 boom. Wait, boom, 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 boom. I want you in my room. Is that the song? Yeah, it is. Cute. Anyway, there's YouTube music, right? And then it's just like, oh, cool. And then you have like, this. I like, hold on. Now I want to listen to Ruby. It's like, so I listen to this. They know what YouTube music looks like, okay? They totally are okay with it. It's Reddit that they have a problem with. Because it's technically social media, even though I just use it as like a news aggregate. Just today I was telling Astrodaddy to message you on Reddit so you can come over to the demo while you're at work. Oh, yeah. I didn't have access to any Reddit today. So a lot of my time now is just spent studying C++, which is like, listen, they have access to my internet coverage, but they never look at like, sorry, now I'm just jamming out to Ruby. Okay, now don't stop. We're programming. So I did a lot of like studying programming and stuff because it's like, fuck, it's so boring. Ha ha ha, he just wants to raid 4chan with his boys. What is this? How does she know what 4chan is? Chat. What if I told you this lady, this former librarian, thought like, I was like, hey, I'm a little busy after work. It's really hard for me to hang out after work. She's like, why, do you stream? And I was like, oh, I know she doesn't know who I am, but how did she know? How does she know? I didn't say yes, obviously. I changed the subject. Sorry, we're doing a lot of not programming right now. Ha ha ha. True, true. Eat anything good today? She likes talking about food. We both like to cook. I said, sure, maybe a little bit. Demon Angel. Oh, wrong video. Oh, God. Play Jesus, I'm trying to get, okay, fine. Stop distracting me, Chad. All right, let's make a game. What do we want in our deck? First of all, does it still compile? Thank God. Okay, so what do we want in our deck? Let's turn off that. I think I've decided we're gonna make, I'm thinking about what deck I want, like what's a deck that's really easy to play, has very little like spell interaction, because you don't want spells for this yet. Spells are complicated, not in terms of programming, but in terms of like the concept elements of the game. It's like if somebody's never played this game before, I don't want them to be like here's Miracle or Fractal. I'm thinking something simpler. That's why Firefly Queen is so fun to play against, because it's just creatures and relics, right? That's like its thing, right? And if you let it get out of control, it just doesn't take any damage anymore and out heals everything. So something with creature control, something creature based. Maybe we give you like a gravity deck so you can play with like Gaia and Odiug. Schrodinger's cat. Ooh. It would be entropy and death. We have vulture. That's true. We have vulture art. We have Schrodinger's cat art. What else would we need? We would need a bone wall. I do have shields implemented because of hope. I guess I could just give you bone wall and just do it that way. It'll take a little bit of programming to implement it though, because it has to destroy itself. I would have to implement virus. Not gonna lie, I thought this was C# because I saw Visual Studio. What? Really? This is C++ 23, nerd. We got modules and shit. Oh my goodness. No, great. Chat, import STD is so OP. Chat, I thought about it. You know how like, okay, if you guys don't know, let me show you something. If you've ever done C++ before, you've probably heard of Lazy Foo. And this is like the tutorial for like video game programming, like 101, right? Like what is a key state, texture rendering? It's all 2D like video game-age stuff for like a homemade engine, right? And I followed it until we got to about, I think I stopped just before Particle Engine. And that means I missed out on like timer callbacks, multi-threading, semaphores, all that shit, right? Multi-thread stuff. Or like, multi-touch for like Android, so you can play it on your phone and like touch the screen and all that. Anyway, the thing is looking back at this tutorial, the more I knew about the game, the more I knew about programming, the more I realized how absolutely horrible this tutorial is. Chat, this is really bad. It's really bad because even like this, oh man, this is not the way to go, kids. Not with C++ 23, and not even with SDL. Now SDL 3's out and like half of this is broken. I'm thinking, what if I made my own website that was just text-based, here's the tutorial? And the reason why is because, like, look at this, chat. If I had to do like, here's C++ 23, it would be like import std, using func equals auto, because you use auto a lot. It's nice to separate it. Oh wait, func is a keyword? No, it's not. It is. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Using func equals auto. And then you would be like, func main int code, right? Oh, hold on. I would show all the features. So I would be like, func print value. It would be auto, oh no, const auto reference value returns void. And then copy. This is what I would do for like the first tutorial, to be like, this is C++ 23. Standard cout, standard cout, you print value, right? /n. I think this is the right slash. I always get it backwards. What else would I do? I would, oh, you would instantiate differently. So auto x is equal to int 5. and auto y is equal to float 5.0. And then you would print value 5, print value, y, sorry, I meant x there. So like, this is what I would do for like the first tutorial, because like all of this, oh, hold on. All of this is like everything C++23 has. So you have like an imported module. What does that mean? Why do you do this for func instead of auto on all these functions? I don't know. Like this to me, like it looks beautiful. It's so clear what it does. You know exactly what it's for. A trailing return type requires the auto type specifier. Auto is not allowed here. Oh, wait, you can't do this? Fuck you. What do you mean I can't do this? Of course I can do this. Wait, really? Oh my God, wait, I can't use auto? No, I have to be able to replace auto. It's a using statement. Do I have to type def it? What? Hold on, C++ weebs. Also, Big Moosh, I'm sorry. I know you're there, and I was just confused by this. I wanted to get it typed out. Hello! Yes, you get femboy for a hot second. How's it going, chat? Wait, hold on, am I misaligned? I am misaligned. I'm off by like 1 pixel. Hold on. I think that's good. I hope that's good. It's pretty close. Okay. Yep, I don't have to deal with pointers in C#, so I'm gonna stay here. But I've done C and C++ in college, so I understand it. Just don't want to deal with it. Pink. Pink! Wait, what? Why are they using func equals auto? Because if you don't do this, what ends up happening is it looks like this. Auto, print value, const, auto, value, void. Now, you don't actually have to have the void here. If it's a void function, you can just not type anything. I just like it for consistency's sake. Same with this. You don't actually have to have that arrow there, but this you do. So apparently you can't do this? Well, do I have to actually put auto in front of everything? That's so ugly though. Ew, I have to do that? Ugh, whatever, it's fine. We'll just do this. But like this is C++23 in a nutshell. It's just the problem is if I did like a lazy food tutorial for like people who don't know C++23, I don't know how comfortable I feel with like newbies going auto, function name, auto, parameter value, return, auto, if that's what's wanted. Like, I don't know how, like these are all different like autos, you know, these all mean different things. Then you have like auto integer. Listen, chat. If you guys don't know why this is so like weird, why am I using auto all the time? Like, why not just type like, instead of that, go int x equals 5, or even better, int x 5, right? These two lines mean the same thing. However, in my world, I've learned this and I've just accepted it. Readability is king, okay? That's it. That's the end all be all of programming. How readable is it, right? This function could just as easily have been, you know, print X, right? Like Y, or here, we'll just call it like my func or something like that. What does this even do? Whereas print value is fine, you know? I have no idea what's happening. Oh, it's just programming stuff. Parameter, function, auto, integers, words. Okay, we'll keep it really simple. Integer, int, is equal to any whole number. So it's 5, 1,000, negative 2 million, 44. That is an integer. A float is any decimal number. Technically, it also goes by double, but everybody just calls it a float unless you're a weird C programmer. So float's like 5.4, 3.1, 3.14, whatever pi is, 6.0, that's important. That's a float value, not an integer. It has the point on it. So that's a float value. Auto is what it says on the tin. It's automatically interpreted in the compilation. So do you know how when you do art, because there's artists here, when you do art, do you know how when you finish, you don't save the picture, you don't save the project, right? You render the picture, right? There's a difference. The client generally, unless they pay for it, does not get like the whole project layer by layer in Photoshop, right? They get the rendered picture, a single layer, and that's the end all be all, you know? So export, render, compress. Yeah, exactly. So programming is the same thing. You have your saving project and you have your exporting. Now in the world of programming, export is build. So you build the program, then you run the program, the .exe file, and if you have to compress it, i.e. maybe have it in a zip folder like I'm gonna give you on the drive, it could be it could be on like Steam compresses. This is why you install programs, well, for a variety of reasons, but one of them is compression. That's kind of how that happens. So when I say compiles or builds, that just is way of saying like exporting. You don't want my layers, they're not like onions, they're like ogres. Ah, panic. Also, Moosh, hello, sorry I didn't say hi to you. I hope you're doing well. He's a fighting game fan. Auto is as it says on the tin. It's type interpreted. So when I say, here, print values. So this is a function, right? This is a little box, right? So if you don't see any of this, you just have this function, print value. Now, if you name it correctly, that's what it does. It's a little box that prints whatever value you give it. This little const auto there, just ignore that for a second. This right there is called a parameter. What does this function need in order to run? This can be blank. So we have print value parentheses, and you do have to have the parentheses here so the system knows you're talking about a function and not just some variable called print value. So this is now a function that takes 0 parameters, right? In this case, we have a parameter, a value. So if you've ever heard the term, if you've ever seen in math f of x, this is a function with the parameter x. It's the same thing, right? This is the function, takes the parameter value, and then it does something with it. In this case, print onto the screen, computer out, this value, and then print a new line. I think that's new line. I always forget if it's backslash or forward slash. I'm a nerd for end line. But you'll flush the fucking toilet with it. I don't know what happens, but god damn it, we use it. So yeah, that's C++ 23. I'm thinking I want to make a tutorial for it. I don't know. I kind of wanna, just to kind of share my experiences. Maybe we'll remake Pac-Man or something. Anyway, all this is distracting. We need to make the fucking game. All right, let's make the game. What deck are we gonna use? Let's see what we have art for first. I know I have Astrodites art, but I want to see what VRT art we have as well. Blah, 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 blah. We have Shriekers. Ooh, we do have the spell art for reverse time. We could do like a mummy deck. Let's think about that. We could either do a death time deck where we reverse time on mummies to get a random creature. The problem with that is that we don't have all of the creatures implemented. It's going to be vertical slices, so I think that's kind of out of the picture. We could make an Odia gravity deck, so it's a contest between can you eat more fireflies than your opponent can spawn them, and if you don't, they go out of control. But if you do, you win, right? It's that simple. Oh dang, auto is more useful than bear. Oh, very. Auto is incredible. Auto is like the single greatest modern C++ thing. We do have darkness cards. The problem with running a darkness deck is, well, the biggest problem is that we're not going to have Astrodites art. It's going to be like exclusively VRT art, right? Because we have Pest, we have Vampire, which is here, we have Gargoyle. And it's going to be a lot of VRT art, and it feels a little weird having, like, your deck being only VRT art, you know? I just want, like, a glimpse. We could use a water deck. This is Arctic Squid. That would freeze the creature. Maybe. We do have access to Mind Flayer. We do have Mind Flayer art. We have Mind Flayer art, we have Pufferfish, we have Blue Crawler. So we do have a lot of water cards. My only concern is water's a very defensive element. And if we have a defensive element, which is fine, I need to make Permafrost Shield, but I don't have art for Permafrost Shield. I guess I could just give temp art. I mean, nobody really cares, right? This is just a technical demo. It's more of a wait. I have the new, oh, this was the sketch. Oh, right. Replace the file, yes. There we go, now we have new art. Oh, so cute. I'm gonna lurk for now and learn some C# design patterns. Have a good stream. Sorry, we're not doing much programming yet, but we're just getting so distracted. Oh no, I'm not distracted. I'm actually, this is related. I need to, we need to pick the deck we're gonna use. I think it's gonna be water then. Answer to why func equals auto does not work. Type alias for auto. Is it possible to create a type alias for auto? I've tried using both var equals auto and type def auto var. Is there a way? Auto is not a type. It is a keyword that triggers a type deduction. For it to work, there needs to be some information for it to deduce from. That's why it works in a declaration with an initializer. If you really want to be able to write var in your code to get the same effect, like in, say, JavaScript, you could write a macro. But please, please don't do that. It will only make your code harder to understand by C++ developers without providing any tangible... Oh, excuse me, disagree. Hold on. What the fuck? There's no other way to define things? Oh my god. I have to write hashtag define? Ugh. Func, auto? Does that work? Yeah, that must work. So now if I write func, main, return type, int. So this works. Ooh, that purple though. Ugh. Expands to SDL main. That's disgusting. What about func, print? Hold on, can I just control Z a bunch of this? There we go, sweet. Okay, so let me try this. Let's try hashtag define func auto. Func. Oh, hell yeah, that works. Oh, that's what we're gonna do. Oh, baby. That's my life now. Oh, we have to define a macro. Yeah, we're gonna do that. If I do it, well, not even if, I think I'm just gonna do this from now on. I think, yeah, this looks way better to me. I also like how it's a different color. That's kind of just working out. Damn, bless macros. Very different. Yeah, I think we're gonna do this. It's gonna be harder for well, no, it's not gonna be harder. Fuck you guys, I'm right, okay? We're gonna keep auto the same, probably. I just want the function to be just called func. That's all I want. And I'm glad I did it. Okay, sorry, I can't use the modern using func equals auto. That would be just too convenient, so we'll just use a macro. What's one macro? It's fine. And it makes it look so much cleaner. Plus, new people are going to understand what func means, right? From the world of Python. Like trailing return type and all that shit, right? So I think we're fine. Okay, let's get out of that. We're done. Thank you. All right, lesson learned. Okay, what's next? Let's make a deck. If we do... Well, this is going to be an entropy card that's currently not put in the original game, right? So if we do Schrodinger's cat as like a deck, we can do it. There's nothing stopping us. The only problem is I don't have any way to... I'd have to go back to programming the death mechanic, right? Because currently there's no like flags. There's no like... Oh, what's it called? Not singularity. Not singular. Fuck. It's a global. There's no like global like check for death flag or anything. So I'd have to implement that, and that sounds like a nightmare. That's my only like worry about it. But I do want to use Schrodinger's cat. Maybe we can cheat it, like vertical slice it so there is no death flag. It just triggers, is Schrodinger's cat ability used? Yes, and then just do things. Maybe. I'd have to have another way of killing creatures though. I think we're gonna use an Earth deck. So that would be Antlion. We have Gnome Rider somewhere. No, yeah, I have Mole. Where's Mole? I didn't download Mole? Ah, that's not even Aphrodite's fault. It's on Fiverr. I know where it is. Okay. Yeah, we could do something with this. Okay. Okay. I think I know what we're gonna do now. So, here's what we're gonna do. Let's make what is probably going to be... I have Parasite. Yeah, I do. But that's a death creature. Is there any darkness creature that Aphrodite has made besides Voodoo Doll? I don't think so. So maybe we don't do darkness. Man, this is such a tricky thing. If we do Schrodinger's cat, is it that hard to implement? Trigger death effect. I'd have to set another Boolean value on the field point value, right? So I'd have to go to... No, I shouldn't do it on field point value, should I? This. I guess I could set a Boolean value here where it's like, did a creature die here very recently? So like for 1 frame. If yes, then do something else. But at that point, you want a like an event system, right? Where some flag gets set, but it would be the field point value, right? So maybe every frame, rather than iterating through every creature spot on the field, and if there was a change, then, you know, do the thing, we could just set the flag, right? So the idea would be, oh, it wouldn't be creature cards, would it? No, because it would be a copy. It would have to be on the field point value. So if is take, I guess I could just set kill creatures. So is taken equals false, and, you know, all that stuff. I'm just thinking, I know like how I would do the death when it happens. The creature's life would be 0. So the life to add would be subtracted. And if it's less than 0 or 0, then implement the death. I'm just thinking more along the lines of, Teddy the cat says, hey, hello. I know how it would work, which is taken would be equal to false again. ID would be set to 0. All that would be fine. Doesn't need stats updated. All that stuff would just be erased. And then it would trigger the set death flag or something like that. But I just don't know where to put that Boolean value. Anything new in life and game? Nothing much new in life, but the game is basically demo done. We are just implementing the player deck now, which is trivial. So let's do Schrodinger's cat. Let's make the cards first, and then we'll go from there, you know? Relics 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a pushback. That's why I do that. Ooh. I guess that's fine. 4, 5. we'll come back to that. That's a bigger problem later. Okay. 11. We're gonna have it be Schrodinger's cat. Hold on. I need spelling. Schrodinger's cat. Spelling complete. Okay, so we got to come back to that in a second. Schrodinger's cat. Creature. Schrodinger's cat is equal to make creature relic card renderer L font data as the font value. We're gonna call it Schrodinger's cat with that spelling. Then we'll call it what do we call it in hand? Schrodinger's cat. That title is too long, so I think we just call it cat. Card art / Aphrodite Schrodinger's cat .png. This will be element number 0, so it's a creature 0 0, and I think it's the first entropy creature. Yes, 0 1, right? Hold on, this should be 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 0 2. I think that's not going to cause any issues. I don't see any similar things. 6 0 1, that would have been 1. Leaf dragon. Okay, that's fine. Comma, and then it's true. It is a creature. Card cost for Schrodinger's cat is 1. Entropy, which is entropy. And then we have attack value, which is yes. It's going to be a 1. It's going to be a 1, and its ability is oh no, we need to make an ability. Fuck. So this is dead or alive. Ability dead or alive equals make ability. Renderer L font data dead. Ooh, how many spaces? 2. Dead or alive. Not gain. Trigger all death effects. Is that a clear description? What's the original description for Schrodinger's cat? I don't even remember. It was super confusing. I remember that. Well, no, it made sense, but the wording was terrible. Okay, hold on. Where's Schrodinger's cat? Open link in new tab. Open image in new tab. Open image in new tab. There we go. Okay. Okay, this is Schrodinger's cat. Old art. Schrodinger's cat, 1 entropy, 1 1, dead and alive. Oh, baby. Kill this creature, semicolon. Death effects are triggered. This creature is still alive. I don't like the wording there. Why not just say all death effects are triggered? Dead and alive. Trigger all death effects. Yeah, no, I just like the idea of trigger all. Like, I understand why he had it that way in the original, because it's like a cat. It's like dead and alive. Kill it, but don't kill it. Ooh. Trigger all death effects. What if we balance it out by just saying this creature can't die? Nah, I think the creature should be able to die, right? That's the gimmick. Trigger all death effects. It's It's gonna cost 1 entropy. ID number is 12, 13. You know what? We should have a different ID system for these, so that way shields can shields don't get fucked with ooh, I need a value on the we're missing something. It is not passive and it has a value of trigger all death effects. Let me think. If the AI is using Schrodinger's cat, do I want it to do it first or last? Probably last, right? So it's gonna be really low value. Something like that. And then we, oh, I could implement butterfly effect. Ooh, that would be a fun thing to add. It would silence this and give it a higher ability, so it would mess around with like values too. That's kind of cool. I like that. I like that. Okay, okay, we'll come back to that. Odiug, Air Dragon, Phase Dragon, Leaf Dragon, Jade Dragon, Firefly, Firefly Queen, Forest Spirit. I think we're good. Okay, so now this will have the ability dead and alive. That needs renamed. Dead and alive. Okay, cool. Dead and alive. So now this card exists. So now let's push back on it. Okay, Schrodinger's cat now exists. If we're using a Schrodinger's cat deck, what else do we need to add to it? We need a bone wall. We need a vulture. What else would go into like a death trigger deck? Boneyard, so we would need skeletons. Well, we would need skeleton, the card, and boneyard, the relic, to summon the skeletons. We would need, hold on, let me think. 4, 8, because there's 4 cards apiece, right? So 4 boneyards, 4 skeletons, 4 Schrodinger's cats, 4 graveyards to summon the skeletons, boneyards the shield. So that's 16. Then you have did I say vulture? Hold on. Schrodinger's cat, vulture, boneyard, bone, graveyard. Graveyard and boneyard. So that's 16. What else would go into a deck like that? Like a really triggered deathy kind of deck. We could make something. We don't need poison. It's not an aflatoxin kind of deck, you know? It's not that kind of deck. We could give it like Death Dragon, so that would be another 4. So that would be 20. So where do we get 10 more cards from? Implementing Arsenic would be kind of difficult, but I could trigger, like, I could give you guys a weapon for death that's like every time it attacks, trigger a death effect. That'd be kind of cool. That'd be kind of sick, actually. Yeah, I like that. So that would be 2 cards to make it a little consistent. So you'd have 8 cards left. Let me just quickly take a gander through death here for cards we can like super easily implement. So it would be a 30 card deck. Currently we need 2 more cards. Well, 2 more types of cards to fill out 8 slots. We could do flesh spiders. That would be one. That's reasonable. Infects every enemy creature, removes invisibility. That kind of works. Okay, maybe. Oh, Deathstalker, right. Nah, we're not gonna use Deathstalkers. Every time a creature is killed, generate oh, we can give you Soul Catcher. Oh, that's kind of based. Upgraded Soul Catcher is just stupidly strong, but I can give you the weaker one. It's already a strong card. That would allow you to accelerate the Bone Dragon at the cost of not being able to kill your opponent's creatures. Inflict 50 damage to yourself and remove all but death quanta. Swap damage with healing. Lasts 2 turns. I could give you a Shard of Sacrifice. And what we would do is we would overhaul the effect. So you deal a bunch of damage to yourself. Destroy your mark down to 1. Swap damage with healing. Last 2 turns, maybe? So the idea here is that if you can live through the initial burst to yourself, your opponent can't really kill you unless they heal you. Hilariously, this would also mean that the Firefly deck gets countered because they have a bunch of empathic bonds, right? So it would deal like 80 damage to themselves. Okay, I kind of dig it. I think what we're gonna do is just have a plague. Or I guess we could do, you know, what we could do is have just a retrovirus. Retrovirus is kind of cool. It kind of vibes because it kills itself, right? And then it inflicts everything on the enemy. That would be kind of cool. Inflict 1 damage to everything. What if we just change it where instead of plague, where it like poisons the enemy, we just give it like a flat AoE? Deal 2 damage to everything? That'd be kind of cool. It makes it so you only have like 4 wave clears. If you draw through your whole deck, you only have 4 wave clears before the enemy just overwhelms you, which they will be able to do. Yeah, that'd be kind of cool. Plus, it wouldn't counter a Firefly Queen. You can't kill her unless you use all 4 retroviruses on like all of the queens out, so you'll never be able to kill them all. They'll keep spawning forever. I like that. Okay, so retrovirus, flesh recluse, or sorry, flesh spider. We have the art for that. Vulture, boneyard, which generates a skeleton. Bone wall, fuck, not graveyard, sorry. Bone wall, which generates shields. And I have a weapon. And we have soul catcher. So maybe we drop the spider. I guess we could do that. Accelerate a bunch of mana. Okay, we kind of have a death. Yeah, let's end up with like a death deck. That'd be kind of fun. Do I have the art for everything? I have, I don't have boneyard, bone wall. I have flesh spider. I know Space Cadet Aphrodite did skeleton, so we have that. Oh, wait, I'm so dumb. We have entropy. Oh, right. We have entropy, which is Schrodinger's cat. Hold on. I need a pendulum to mark. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's okay. Let's go back to the table here. We gotta drop a few death cards. We gotta pick up a few entropy cards in order to get the Schrodinger's cat going. What works here? We have micro abomination art. That'd be kind of cool. Gives you a good early game. Oh, I could give you Nova. Oh, that would solve the problem. Oh no, but Schrodinger's cat needs a quanta in order to be played and use the ability. What else here? I could give you butterfly effect for relic control. Oh, you need Schrodinger's cat. What if I just make Schrodinger's cat free? Would that be dumb? That would be kind of dumb. I don't like free cards. God, Shard of Serendipity. What a great shard. Guaranteed entropy draw. Pandemonium, no. Well, the way I see it is I could give you guys Supernova. Oh, I guess that also means I could add Malignant Cell. That's kind of cool. I give you guys Supernova. You have enough to cast Schrodinger's cat. But Quanta would reset. So you would need multiple supernovas to even use the ability once, no matter what. Because you have to play the card, and then you have to wait a turn and then use the ability, right? So maybe we don't make it like a supernova deck. What if we make it like at that point, you might as well just use a nova, you know? I mean, I guess I could just throw in some micro abominations. Justifies that. We couldn't give you Maxwell's Demon. Still wouldn't super counter the deck, but it's better than nothing. It would kill every Firefly, to be fair. That's kind of cool. It's expensive too. I have Amethyst Pillar. Yeah, okay, I kind of vibe with that. I could give you guys Butterfly Effect, Maxwell's Demon, Pendulums. So that's potentially 10 cards right there. So 2 Butterfly Effects, which is this card. So you have 2 Butterfly Effects. Let's count. 2. You could have like 4 Maxwell's Demons. No, we'll say 2 Maxwell's Demons, right? They're pretty expensive. 2 Butterfly Effects, 2 Maxwell's Demons, 4 Schrodinger's Cats. That's 8 cards. 4 Boneyards, 4 Bone Walls. That's a lot in my head that I can't think of right now. What's 8 plus 8? 16 cards. Vultures. So that's 20 cards. Vultures is the big one. 20 cards again. I could do Flesh Recluses, so that's another 4. So now I need 6 cards. Where am I getting 6 cards from? I already have Pendulums in there to get Quanta going, I think. If not, there's 4 of them. Otherwise, excuse me. Otherwise, I just don't want to waste my time programming something I don't need to, you know? Not darkness, death. Dragons. I could give you dragons. That's true. Maybe even Soul Catcher to do your death effects. Actually, hold on. What if we just don't have a pendulum at all? What if we just have Soul Catchers? Oh, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna play Soul Catchers with that are free and don't cost anything. So it'd be a 0 Quanta Soul Catcher, and then it would generate Quanta every time a Schrodinger's Cat is triggered, which gives you access to some death cards, and we just won't go heavy on them. So something like, well, because it's not permanent, we don't have a reason to stack a bunch. I could make it like 4 death Quanta or something. So the idea here is that you'd play Boneyard, get a bunch of skeletons out, which are 2/2s. Trigger Vultures, which are super cheap anyway, right? 3 Quanta. So 1 death effect would trigger 1 Vulture, or would let you play 1 Vulture. Summon a skeleton, give you 2 effects of Bone Wall. Yeah, okay. And generate you death Quanta, all at the cost of entropy. Okay, and that eliminates the need for complicated pendulum stuff. Okay, all right, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a Schrodinger's Cat deck. All right, I've now decided. Which means, bleh, I need to make sure I have art for everything. So we're gonna use, we don't have much in the way of relic art, but that's okay. This needs renamed to Aphrodite Parasite. Rename. Aphrodite Immortal. Firefly Queen? Is this temporary? This looks pretty final. I think it's done. I don't know why I called this temporary, but there you go. Okay. Sweet. So if we're doing this, I need the Schrodinger's Cat art, which I believe I have over here. Right here. I have it somewhere down, not downloaded, right? There it is. Save image as PNG. So we're going to call it Aphrodite, Schrodinger's Cat. Maxwell's demon I'm gonna need. So save image as Astro deity, Maxwell's demon. Don't need angel, but let's save it anyway. Archangel. Really? I called it Archangel? Gary? Delete. Ah, it's blinding. Astro deity, guardian angel. I don't know, do we like the name guardian angel or archangel? I think I like nah, guardian angel. I like guardian angel. Fire reader, save image as Graviton fire reader. I kind of just want to call this fire reader. It's just an animal now. That's okay. Gaia, naturally. Fire spirit. Flame spirit, whatever, close enough. Anubis. Damselfly. So we do need to delete one of these. There was a temporary dragonfly. Oh no, I had temp art for it. Oh, that's right. Aphrodite. Okay, I think we got Aphrodite and everything. Sweet. So let's make a deck here. Did I save Schrodinger's cat? You bet your ass I did. Delete that. Delete that. Okay. I think we got everything we want out of that. Let's put these in there. Let's put... Okay, hold on. Rename. Sorry, I just have to organize things really quick. Because this .exe file is actually getting out in the hands of clients, so we're trying to make it look a little bit better, you know? Where are my water creatures? What? Did they just delete? What did I just do? Okay, hold on. Where's my, Am I crazy? Okay, hold on. Hard art. They're not in here. Wait, what did I just do? I thought I just added them in there. Wait, what the fuck? How'd they get out there? What the hell? Rename. Aphrodite. There, it did it again. What the fuck? Oh no, there it is. Where's my other water creature? Oh, there they are. What the fuck? I am so confused. Rename Aphrodite. Okay, sweet. Okay, so that art's done. Let's make the cards now. Jeez. Oh, I forgot to add those in. Motherfucker. Ugh, well, that'd have been later. No, I can't. I'm so lazy. Oh, look at this graboid. He's so cute. We'll do it later. It's fine. You don't need it for the demo. So let's add in, we need, what are we adding? Skeleton? Skeleton can be a low value card, right? We don't need an ability yet. Creature skeleton is equal to make creature relic card. Renderer Elfont data. Skelly boy. Skelly boy. Card art / Aphrodite Skelly boy. What element is death? 10? Fuck, 7. 1, 0, 7. And I believe it's the first death card, so 0, 1. It is a creature. It is from death. I lied. This is the card cost. For skeleton, it's going to be 1. Death. 2, 2. And its ability. We're not even going to implement this because whatever. This is going to be a text-based thing. Boom, boom. Random. The fuck do you call skeleton's ability? Reverse time proc. Ability is reverse time proc is equal to make ability. Renderer, L font data. The fuck do you call the ability? Is it a passive thing? I think it's a passive thing. I don't even think there's a name of the ability. Elements of the game. Elements, no, not the revival. Wiki. It's a death card. All right, Skelly boy, what you got? Undead. Oh, that's a better way to put it. Yeah, okay, we'll call it undead. 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 We're gonna call it undead, comma, if this turns into a random creature if targeted if targeted by reverse time, it's gonna cost 0 because it is death and its ID, well, it's gonna be really low value, right? Is passive true, and its value is what's its value? 1. Wait, no, its ID number needs to be higher. It's 13. My bad. You know what? Let's call hope 100. Let's call life pendulum. Well, no, I'm a little scared about how we set up the switch statement here. I guess it doesn't matter. This is all just going into a JSON file, right? So it's not that big of a deal. I guess it's fine. Okay, so Skelly Boy is gonna be undead. And then we push back Skelly Boy. God, I can't wait for the JSON file to get implemented. Holy shit. What else do we need? We have Schrodinger's cat, we have skeleton, we need Maxwell's demon. I think for now what we do is we replace Maxwell's pillar. Ah, fuck it, who cares? It's not like we need to add the ability anyway. Maxwell's demon. Creature. Maxwell's demon. Make creature relic card. Renderer. This really should be a map. To be fair, you're not wrong. It's just, right now we're just doing this for like vertical slicey stuff. Obviously, we need to refactor this. Mainly, we need to put it into a data entry file like a, I don't know, a fucking notepad file is fine. It's just anything to just get us out of this disaster of data entry, you know? But I agree. There's a lot of better ways we can implement this. I completely am on board with that. Aphrodite, Maxwell's demon. What is that exactly called? Art. Maxwell's demon. Okay, that is right. Okay, sweet. Back here. It is of element creature 0/0. We have a Schrodinger's cat. That's it. Okay, sweet. 0/2. It is a creature. It will cost 5 entropy. Its attack will be 3, 5 life, and its ability is paradox. Although it should be a 5/3, sorry. But if you do /to-do refactor this, it's okay. Well, yeah, pretty much. Just come up with a schema and have ChatGPT view for you, or I can just fucking learn how to program. Dude, I'm a C++ programmer. My debug is my eyes. Okay, I don't need a. Listen, chat. Don't ask a C++ programmer when he's going to refactor something in the same way you don't ask a Rust programmer how much money he lost on Bitcoin, okay? There's just questions you do not ask the world, all right? Jesus Christ. All right, next. We have Maxwell's demon, skeleton, Schrodinger's cat. Is that it for creatures in the deck? No way, right? We have Schrodinger's cat. Oh, I need vultures. Right. Okay, hold on. I think this is the last ability we're even going to add before the demo is out. Vulture. No, it's called scavenging. Right. Scavenging. Scavenging. Scavenging? I think I spelled that right. It's a very Norwegian word. Scavenging. I spelt it right. It is rooted in the word scavenger, which is from the word. I'm trying to find the root of the word and I don't see it. Feeds on discarded material. Yeah. Ability scavenging. It's equal to make ability. Oops. Colon space scavenging. Comma. Gain +1 vertical +1 every time a creature dies. Do I have punctuation? I feel like only sometimes I have punctuation. Do I want punctuation? Yeah, I do. Yeah. It seems weird, but yeah, I think it does need punctuation. Its cost is 0. Do all abilities have a cost? No, they don't. Element is death. ID number is 14. Is passive true? Value is pretty high. We'll say 8. Last ability, so let's just do this one final time. 15, 16, 17. Oh, I need boneyard. Okay, we're adding more abilities, but they're relics and stuff. Okay. So now we have creatures. Let's add a... What did I just put in? Scavenging, vulture. 14, this is vulture. Creature, vulture is equal to... not Maxwell's demon. Vulture. And in hand, it's going to be called vulture. And it's going to take the card art/Aphrodite vulture .png. It's going to have the ID number of, it's a creature and it's from death. So 7. And it's the second creature, I believe. Boolean is creature true. Card cost for vulture is 1. Oh no, 3. I'm sorry. It's gonna be death. It's gonna have 1 attack and 2 life. No, 0 attack and 1 life. That's based. And then vulture. No, scavenging. There we go. And then push back on the vulture. Oop. Okay, so that's it for creatures. Now let's add everything else here. So what kind of relics do we need? How many relics do we even have? We have boneyard, 1. Bone wall, 2, and that's a shield. I guess we could write it down. 3 bone yard. And then we have boom boom. 3, 4, 5 shield. Bone wall. What am I listening to? Sims, you got such weird music, dude. Hold on, Sims 3 OST, please. Get me out of this. Let's do build mode. There we go. Vibes. Okay, so boneyard, bone wall. 6, 7. Boneyard, bone wall. What else do I need? I need soul catcher. Do I need anything else? So we play the soul catcher. It's going to be free. You then use Schrodinger's cat to trigger the quanta, where you're going to play a vulture, boneyard, bone walls. I don't need any death pendulums because the cats will trigger all death effects. I have a Maxwell's demon. I could use a dragon, but that's trivial. So let's do a count here. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. I do need 6 more cards. Is there a more expensive entropy card we want to add? I guess I could do Amethyst Dragon. Ooh, let's do an Amethyst Dragon. Oh, fuck yeah. That's kind of cute. Amethyst Dragon. Make creature relic card. Amethyst Dragon. Amethyst. Card art / astro deity amethyst dragon. I think that's what we called it. Yes. Okay, sweet. Ah, what beautiful art. Love it. What a great amethyst dragon. So OP. Amethyst dragon. Yes. ID number is 10003. It is a creature. It has a card cost of 12. Hold on, I have to look up the original. I always am apprehensive about dragons just because in the original game they were beat sticks. Elements, the game wiki. But in our version, they are going to have abilities. What ability do we give a amethyst dragon? I'm looking for it, chat. I'm looking. Found it. Open image in new tab. Okay. What ability are we giving this thing? Because clearly, not having an ability, this is actually one of the worst dragons, I ain't gonna lie. Very not good. I like the idea of it being kind of glass cannon-y. My only issue is it needs an ability. I guess I could give it mutate into a random dragon. I could do that, but then you wouldn't be able to activate that ability, you know? What would be something fun for an entropy thing? It's glass cannon E. It can fly real high. Kinda spendy. What is the iconic ability of entropy? Rainbow, mutation. I could give it Nova. Actually, that would work kind of well. You give it Nova and you have death quanta. It's kind of cool. I don't hate that. I guess I can. Yeah, fuck it. Let's make Nova an ability. Hell yeah. Boom, boom. Nova. Ability. Nova. Nova. Gain one quanta of every element. And that's it. Cost is... What would Nova cost? Do I want you to spam it 4 times for free? But by the time you can play it, it's a dragon. It's so late in the game. Who cares if it gives you like a bunch of entropy quanta, you know? I don't think that really matters. So maybe the answer here is 1 or 0. Fuck it. Entropy. ID number is var 15. Boolean passive, no. Gain 1 quanta of every element every turn. Oh, but it would be at the end of the turn, so that wouldn't work. At the end of every turn. Maybe we just phrase it like that. What does photosynthesis say? Gain... No, not that. Bioluminescence. Generate a light quanta every turn. Generate 1 quanta of every element at the end of every turn. Is there a better phrase than at the end of every turn? Do we just say every turn? Okay, let's do that. I like that more. It saves us a lot of typing. Generate 1 quanta of every element every turn. False, and then it's gonna have a very high value, right? It's gotta know what to play or what to kill in that order, you know? 16, 17, 18. Phase Dragon. Okay, Amethyst Dragon, you're gonna have the ability of Nova. And then push back on... Fuck, its stats. 12, 6, Nova. What? Attack, life, ability. Oh, I need the element type. Oh, shit. Hold on. Element type. Okay, hold on. Boolean is creature true. Int card cost is 12. Oh my god. Then I need the element, which is entropy. Then it's going to be a 12-6. Okay, sweet. L, creature, data, push, back, amethyst dragon. Okay, so that's amethyst dragon. You get 4 of those. Boneyard, soul catcher. Is that it? Bone wall. Okay, I can do that. So now we need boneyard. Ability. Boneyard. Make ability. Renderer. Wait a second. What did I do for... Is everything gonna have a title? Oh, null doesn't. Okay. Nova, scavenging, undead. This is a passive ability. Make ability. L font data. What is Boneyard's text? Hold on, I need to see elements, the game wiki. What does Boneyard's text say? I just need to see what the ability name is. Every time a creature is killed, Boneyard generates 1 skeleton. Oh, we don't have a name. Well, we're gonna give it one. We're gonna call it Graveyard. You know what? I do like that ability better. Graveyard. Great, because we have a card called Boneyard, and it feels weird sharing names. Not generate. No, yeah. Generate a Skelly-bro. Spawn a skeleton every time a creature dies. I think that makes sense. Has 0 cost. It will be death. It will have an ID value of 16. It is a passive, and its value is pretty low. And that's it. Okay, so now Graveyard exists. It exists. And with Graveyard, we're going to make Boneyard, which is now a creature called Boneyard. 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 Temp art. Yes, it is temporary art. Its ID number is 207, because that's death. Because life is 6, and then 0. Oh god. How many death creatures do I have? Just 1. Oh, 2, 3. Jesus. It is ID is creature false costs. It's gonna be 2, right? It is a death creature. Doesn't matter, and we're gonna give it the ability Graveyard. Okay, sweet. So now we have to push back that. Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doo doodle doo 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 doo. Soul Catcher. We need a new ability. Soul Catcher. Soul Catcher has text, right? Soul Catcher has text. Death. Soul Catcher's near the bottom. Every time a creature is killed, Soul Catcher generates 2 death quanta. Okay. What do we call that? Every time a creature is killed, generate death quanta. Do we call it like release or something? Necromancy? No, that's not really necromancy, you know. What's that? What's like a warlock spell? Isn't there like a famous like warlock spell that's like you get mana from like dead creatures? Is that like a common term? I'm trying to think of blood magic, but I don't really want to imply blood. It's more of like a necromancer thing, not a warlock thing. Maybe we make a reference to maybe we make a reference to Path of Exile and just call it an offering. Like bone offering. That's kind of cute. I like that. Offering, make ability, renderer, L font data. Offering. Generate 2 death quanta every time a creature dies. It will cost 0. It is death. It has an ID number of 17. It is a passive, and its value is... It's more valuable than a graveyard. That's where the balance is those value statements, but we'll come back to that later. So we have offering. Now Boneyard is not it. Creature Soul Catcher is equal to make creature or relic card. Renderer, L font data. Soul Catcher. Card art / temp art.png. 20704 is not a creature. Its cost is free, right? Element type is death. Attack is 0, 50, doesn't matter. And its ability is offering. And then we push back on Soul Catcher. Okay, all we have to have left is Bone Wall, and I think we're good. So let's add that ability. 17, 18, 20, 21. Again, this is all temporary. Like the last time we're inputting data this way. Shield, Bone, Wall. Yeah, we'll call it Bone Wall. Ability, Shield, Bone Wall equals make ability. Ability. Using the renderer, display font with L font data, which is like a size 20 font in this case. Shield, colon. Next line is, oh God, how do we phrase this in 4 lines? Oh, that is so difficult. No, I know how to do it in my head. I'm just thinking about how to phrase this. It has 7 counters. Every time a creature hits you, you lose a counter, take no damage. Gain 2 counters every time a creature dies. How do I say that in 4 lines? Where, keeping in mind, this phrase here takes up 4 lines. Damage reduced by number of creatures you control that emit light, immortal. So we'll say probably 13, 14 words before we run out of lines. So, what, 4 words per line? Yeah, we'll say 4 words per line. Maybe not even that, 3.5 words per line. That's probably been more accurate. 3.5 words per line. How do I phrase this? Lose 1 stack every time a creature... Block all damage. Every creature... No, every time... Block all damage. Lose a stack. When you do, gain 2 stacks when a creature dies. There is no shot that's gonna fit. There is no chance that this fits. There is no shot. Its cost for Bone Wall is 7. Death. Its ID is 19. It is not a passive. It is a passive. It doesn't have a thing. Its value is 1. Negative. You don't want the AI to do anything with it. There is no shot this fits into the same line as this, right? I mean, it might. To be fair, it's close. It's close. We'll see. Well, there's a lot of small words in there. A lot of spaces. I think we'll be fine. All right, so Bone Wall. Let's make it. Creature. Bone Wall is equal to make creature relic card. Renderer L font data. Bone Wall. In hand, it will display as Bone Wall. Its art is temp art for now. I guess I could get a picture of the Lion King elephant graveyard, but whatever. This is a relic. It's going to have a creature spell of 7. And its ID number is going to be 02. You are 01. What are you doing, Mr. Relic? Soul Catcher, you're 2. What the fuck? Guys, get your ID numbers together. It is not a creature. It's going to cost 7. Its element type is death. It's going to have a 0 attack, 7 HP. We'll come back to that in a second. Ability is shield bone wall. And then bone wall dot. Wait, what's going on here? Oh. Okay, so bone wall dot is shield. No. Set shield. I don't even know how I have access to that. Isn't that a private variable? Uh-oh. That's might be a problem later. Creature data dot push back bone wall. Gary, use a JSON. Yeah, I know. We're vertical slicing here. Give me a break. Okay, so we have our bone wall. I think that's everything we need. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. Uh-oh. I only have 28 cards. We have room for one more card. Do we just add Bone Dragon and just say fuck it? I kind of want to. It's kind of cool, right? We have Amethyst Dragons and Bone Dragons. Okay. We'll use 3 of each, balance it out. We have art for Bone Dragon too. I'm 99% sure. Yeah, there's my Death Dragon with the scythe. Hell yeah, I do. Oh, obviously this guy's ability at the end of every turn trigger a death effect or something. Oh, that's sick. Death Dragon. Creature Bone Dragon. Make creature relic card. Renderer, Elfont data. Bone Dragon. Bone hard art / Aphrodite. Bone. No. Death Dragon is what it was. 1 creature, 0/7 element, 0/3 ID. It is a creature. Its card cost is 12. Death. Bone Dragons were tanky boys, right? So do like 8, 16 or something like that. And its ability is not made yet. What do we call Bone Dragon's ability? Oh, do we just give it offering? Well, that'd be kind of cool. No, I don't know if I want that. I just want to trigger the effect. What did we call it? We call it dead and alive, right? Trigger all death effects. So we can we just call it dead? No. Trigger all death effects every turn. We could do that. That'd be kind of hot. It would generate you quanta too for you to use next turn, so that kind of works out. What do we call that ability though? What do we call an ability where you die every turn or you generate quanta? Can't call it Bone Offering because that's Boneyard's ability. Is there another Path of Exile reference we could make? This is like occultist shit, right? Is there anything occultist that we would call it? What's that chaotic boom spell again where it's like you reduce creatures to a certain amount of health and they explode? Oh, no. When they die, they explode. Have like a 50% chance to. What's it? Profane Bloom? We'll call it Profane Bloom. That's pretty cool. Ability. Profane Bloom. Make ability. Renderer using the font data. Profane Bloom. Trigger all death effects every turn. It's going to cost 0, death, 18. It's passive. and its value is pretty high. It's gonna be 10, right? Dragons should have very high priority, I think. Okay, Bone Dragon, and now you have Profane Bloom. L creature data dot push back equals Bone Dragon. All right, let's actually make this deck and let's see if it all works out like the way I expect. Okay. Oh god, it's gonna crash too because I haven't updated the thing, but it's fine. Okay, so first things first, let's go back to our load game. We need to generate a few cards here. So load game, save. What do we need? We need 4 Schrodinger's cats. Oh my god. We need 4 Maxwell's demons. Oops. We need 4 vultures. Oh wait, did I update the abilities ID numbers? Woohoo, I didn't. Holy shit. Well, good thing we are done making cards. Okay, so 4 vultures. What else do we want the player to have? 4 vultures, 3 amethyst dragons, so 15, whoops. 15, 15, 15. 3 bone dragons, 16, 16, 16. How many cards is this? 3, 6, 10, plus 8 is 18, so we need 12 more. 4, 8, 12. So we need to fill these guys out. So what's next? 17, 18, 19. So under 19 we have boneyards. We need 4 of those. Okay, and then 20 soul catchers. So we need 3 of those. Okay, and then we need 4 more cards, and that's gonna be bone walls, right? Do we really want to give you 4 bone walls? I'd rather give you, like, not that much. Chat, the music was so loud and nobody told me. Holy shit. I guess I could just give you 4 bone walls. Like, it doesn't really matter, right? It's 22. Okay, we're gonna try running the game as is, and I know it's gonna probably crash immediately because we need to implement abilities via a switch statement, but let's just try this. Okay, there's our Maxwell's demon looking hot. There's our vulture. Okay, so the text needs fixed on vulture because of the spacing in the drop shadow. Bone Dragon didn't do his art right, so let's fix that. So vulture needs text fixed. Vulture, which is scavenging. Every time a creature dies, 2 spaces. Okay, and then Bone Dragon needed art fixed. Aphrodite Death Dragon. What did I call it? Aphrodite Death Dragon. Did I do card art or did I not do card art? I bet I didn't do that. Card art. No, I did. Card arts. Oh, .png. Duh. Airy. Get your shit together. Okay, now let's try it again. Okay, vulture text looks better now. Catcher works. Sweet. Boneyard looks good. Schrodinger's cat. Uh-oh. Wait, I can't display the O? Oh, no. Oh, chat. Oh, that's a disaster. Oh, man. Oh, that's so sad. I have to use the dumbass regular O? Ugh. Disgusting. Where's my Schrodinger's cat? All right, sorry, Schrodinger's cat. You're losing the umlaut. Schrodinger's cat. We'll do that, no apostrophe. How about Schro's cat? Okay, Schrodinger's cat. Chat, it has to be called Schrodinger's cat, not Schro's cat. Would people get the reference if it's Schro's cat? They must, right? We gotta have the E in there though, huh? Oh, there's no E. Wow. Schrod's. We'll call it Schrod's cat. We'll compromise. Chat, is anyone liking this hella silent SimCity 4 music? Fuck you. We're listening to SimCity 2000 music, bitch. I'm in it now. We're dedicated. Oh, the depressing music. Hell yeah. All right, Bone Dragon, loaded. Profane Bloom. How does it look? Hold on, let me zoom in. All right, so this is the game. Hi. So how do these cards actually look in practice? So this is Bone Dragon. Like, does the font make sense? Is it clear? I wonder if we can replace one of the fonts with a special character like Anne with the umlaut symbol. Maybe. I have the true type font file. Schrod's cat. We'll just call it Schrod's cat for now. I know the missing O. The O looks so weird, but whatever. It's fine. We'll call it Schrod's cat. That makes sense, right? Right. Boneyard is 2 Death Quanta. Vulture looks great. Maxwell's Demon looks great. Generate 2 Quanta every time a creature dies. Trigger all death effects every turn. Trigger all death effects. Okay. Well, let's switch our mark to entropy because that's what the deck is built around. Let's see if we can even get the deck going. Hold on, let me just quickly do this. Boom, boom, 0. Okay, so now we have an entropy mark. So we're gonna press space, end the turn. He's gonna play his Firefly Queens. Okay, cat and a Soul Catcher. So now we're gonna press space. Failed to load ability, that's fine, that's expected. All right, skeleton. Chat, how is the AI playing how do you have skeletons? Oh, because we pushed back the abilities. Okay, that's fine. We, I forgot we pushed back some of the cards differently, so I gave him skeletons, but skeleton looks good. That's actually kind of cool because we had to trigger that via ability, and it's nice to know that it just works. So we're not actually gonna play this card, but it'll be something that's available whenever a creature dies with like boneyard or something. All right, this is looking good. We have our little ability activated. We click it. It deactivates. It didn't do anything because it's not loaded yet. But okay, sweet. Hello, Gov. Hi there, Wanfa. Welcome to the demo. Ignore that he has skeletons. All right, I like it. I think we're gonna have to get a little fancy with the true type font file. I thought when you load a true type font file, it automatically included like umlauts and shit, but I can't. So it's called Schrod's cat, not Schrod's cat. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Anyway, this is nice. Aphrodite wanted to play with Schrodinger's cat, so there you go. All right, so now we just implement abilities, and the demo is, well, it was already done, but now it's done. You guys, if you want to play this, tomorrow is the day, baby. Because all I have to do now on stream is just add in some abilities, and the demo's finished. This, by the way, demo is a strong word. This is the alpha technical test, right? So like, how does the game perform? Like, does it is the performance good? So right now for the performance, I have a bunch of programs running. Hold on, where is it? Where's my game? Elements the remake. We're taking 170 megabytes of memory. Wait, do I have a memory leak? Okay, we'll come back to that in a second. 4% CPU usage. Hold on, do I have a memory leak? 176 megabytes. Is it running? No. Oh, I know why that's so high. I didn't compress the images. So like Schrodinger's cat is like a 4K image that this, it's a 4K image we shrunk down to 256 by 256, but it's loaded as a 4K image. So that's why memory usage is so high. So I gotta remember to do that before I give you guys the alpha test. So the whole point of it is like, does this run on your computer? Is 120 FPS default gonna be okay for you guys? Does the game make sense? Does it crash? Is there a bug? That kind of deal, right? So that's what we're gonna test. It'll be beautiful. All right, so let's do this. Let's implement abilities. So let's do Schrodinger. Well, we need a way to test death effects, don't we? Or maybe that's the first thing we do is we implement like, we don't need, because of how we're doing this alpha test, we don't actually kill creatures yet. Okay, there's your leaf. Oh, he's gonna play a ton of shit. Oh God. Oh, he has vultures. Okay, first things first, fix the AI deck because we pushed back the cards differently. So now he has my deck. Oh my God, he has so many skeletons. Look at Leaf Dragon though. Oh, Leaf Dragon art's finished. It looks so beautiful. Oh, Aphrodite did such a good job with Leaf Dragon. Oh, that's so cute. Come on, chat. Don't tell me that is not the single greatest. I think Aphrodite's greatest accomplishment is making every 1 or 2 cost card look absolutely freaking amazing. Leaf Dragon, Schrodinger's cat. Oh, it looks so good. Vulture even looks great. To be fair, it's not a super cheap creature, but oh, so good. Firefly Queen. Is it multiplayer? The technical test, no. It'll be against AI. That's the way the game is intended to be played. There will be multiplayer, but it's like peer-to-peer with people who are actively playing against you. Good news, because there's gonna be no like ranked system at all. So there's no incentive to like cheat. All we're gonna do for peer-to-peer testing is if you guys share the same .json file for the cards. So that means is that if you guys hypothetically have 2 modded JSON files that are the exact same and they compare the same, then you guys can play against each other, you know? I have no problem with that. It's a free game anyway. It's just, you know, it's cool, right? Whoa, Bonewall, what the fuck happened to you? Oh my God, that is the worst rendered card I think I have ever seen in my life. What happened? Why is there so much death quanta? Why is the font all fucked up? Oh, Bonewall, no. Oh, wait, hold on, what happened? Wait, everybody else's ability is fine, right? Yeah, these guys work. Why is Bonewall fucked up? Oh, you know what? I know why, hold on, hold the phone. Where's Bonewall? Where's his ability? I bet I put the cost really high. Yeah, I did. Okay, sorry. Bonewall should have a 0 cost ability. My bad. Okay, what's next? We need to fix the AI deck again. So what should it have here? It should have Firefly Queens. Fireflies, 4 of each. Okay, you know what? We may cheat a little and give you a few extra Firefly Queens there. Air Dragons. Okay, 3, 4, 13. What's 13? 13 is Maxwell's Demon. Okay, that is wrong. That should be a Leaf Dragon, which we already have. What was 13? Oh, was that the shield? That was Hope, right? What the fuck was 13 supposed to be? It had to have been Hope. Okay, we'll give you Hope. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is 21, 21. 10 is Leaf Dragon, that's fine. 12 is not Skeleton. 12 was Empathic Bond, which is now 18. 14 was Vulture. It is now... Oh, it was Life Pendulums. Right. So if 18 is empathic bond, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Okay, and the last two are technically supposed to be eagle's eyes, but we're gonna pass on that. How many cards do you have? 6, 10, 16, 20, 24. Dun, 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 dun. I can give you some jade dragons and give you actual abilities on these things. I could do that because I like the idea. As I'm playing, I like the idea of dragons doing something powerful at the end of every turn. Because previously they were just dumbass vanilla creatures, and Time Dragon was the best one. And maybe Crimson Dragon if you were a noob. But like, giving them, like, it's working out. It's just giving them really cool passive abilities that relate to their element. So like, Bone Dragon has Profane Bloom, trigger all death effects every turn. Entropy has Nova, so generate 1 quanta of every element at the end of every turn, you know? I feel you can optimize that. Looks like you'd benefit from names constants. Oh yeah, obviously, guys, obviously this is a horrible way to make a video game, okay? We're struggling with like 25 cards here, and we're like, it's so slow. I get it, I understand that. This is meant to be vertical slicey for like the alpha test, okay? That's what this all is, right? So obviously the best way to do this is a like data entry file, like either a well, notepad if you're desperate, but a .json file is what we're planning. So we implement the .json file, and then that will automatically push back on the vector, and then it's beautiful, okay? It'll take care of itself, okay? That's all for later. For now, we need a technical demo out tonight, which is why I'm finishing this now. But yeah, obviously this is a horrible way to make a video game. I understand that, but we're doing it on purpose, right? Our boss is telling us he wants it now at any cost. Notepad, best IDE and teacher. If you're a Python programmer, or if you're a C programmer, or if you're a basic bitch. But no, we're C++ programmers, baby. We debug with our eyes, and we button up our plaid overshirts, okay? We are Legion, all right? You guys all make fun of us, but you all come crawling back. You all need your .libs, and you ain't doing that shit in Python, ain't ya? Okay, I'm thinking about what cards we add to the AI deck. Oh no, we want abilities. Right. So Leaf Dragon has photosynthesis. Jade Dragon. Did we give you Jade Dragon? Why don't I give you Jade Dragons? Dude, come on, have some Jade Dragons. Jesus. 8, 8, 8, 8. And then we give you the ability of Empathic Bond, I think. Which is pretty powerful for a dragon ability, to be fair. So Jade Dragon. Where is Jade Dragon? Jade Dragon gets Bond. And then what does Air Dragon gets Dive, which I don't even know if I want it to have, but it has Dive. Dun, 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 dun. Jade Dragon. Does it have another dragon? It has Leaf Dragon, but it already did an ability there. Okay. And it has Air Dragons. Okay, I like it. All right, let's run it. Let's see if everything's working. Temp art for bone walls. Maxwell's Demon. Play. Ooh, terrible draws. Yeah, this deck is very... Oh, I gotta fix Bone Wall's text. Okay. Lose A stack, so we need another space before A. Load game. Shield Bone Wall. Another space below before A. Let's try that. Boom, boom, boom. Lots of vultures. Amethyst dragon. Oh, amethyst dragon looks so cool. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I just can't stop looking at it. It looks so pretty. I'm teaching newborn assembly recently. Fuck assembly. What the fuck? What are you, 50 and developing a tycoon game? Holy shit. Dude, what nerd actually uses assembly unironically? Guys, it's 2024. It's okay to move on. We don't need that level of performance, okay? Nobody has that little RAM, all right? Just use C++. You need to learn how a computer works. Do you? Is there anything that assembly teaches you that C++ doesn't? And I don't want none of this how to build a compiler shit, okay? We're making video games here, not making a browser. My baby will. My baby needs to know. Okay, let's play our cats. Space, you're gonna play whatever the fuck you wanna play. Oh, you tried to play Hope, that needs fixed. Okay, Hope Shield isn't showing, that's a problem. God, Leaf Dragon looks cool. Oh, Jade Dragon! Bond, every creature in your possession heals you for 1 at every turn. 1 at every turn. Heals you for 1 every turn. Okay, that spelling needs fixed. Damn, it's like every time I play the game, I swear to God, there's something new to discover about some dumbass move I made. Okay, so let's space again. So he is losing health. I'm losing a lot of health. He is spawning fireflies. Bone wall. Life pendulum. Space, space. Trigger, trigger. Maybe no, I don't want to cheat. I kind of want to give you the soul catchers, like, every time, you know? This is about what happens every game against Firefly Queens. If you don't get control of the game very quickly, it turns into a problem. And there we go, spawning the whole field. And Jade Dragons are healing him for a bunch that can... Obviously, he has unlimited quanta, by the way. That's why he's playing so fast, but... Okay, sweet. And now he has more bonds played. Yeah, empathic bond. All right, I like it. This is working out well. AI deck is working out besides a misspelling of bond. And I need to fix his quanta to be air, right? Air is quanta number 8. Okay, and then I need to fix bond, which is right there. Heals you for 1 every turn. Really no, So if we have a soul catcher, we could play vulture next turn. Double Jade Dragon start. Wow, unlimited quanta does wonderful things, doesn't it? Lots of bone walls. What the fuck? Okay, sweet. All right, that looks better. Heals you for 1 every turn. Generate a light quanta every turn. Abilities are working. Sweet. Oh my God, that start. Jesus Christ. Firefly Queens. Oh, there we go. That's a turn you would play Firefly Queen because his air quanta is getting reset to 0 where it should be. Okay, so I think it's time we get rid of the AI has unlimited quanta shit. Where's my end turn function? Okay, end turn, give player quanta 0. All right, I want to see what the AI does with that. I just want to see how it plays. Okay, there's a life pendulum. Oops, I should have played cat. I lost a card. Oh well, Jesus. There's cat. Firefly generates a life quanta. Oh, no, life pendulum's not generating life quanta yet. Oh, he can't play his deck. Oh well, it's easy. It's failing to load the ability of Maxwell's cat, or Schrodinger's cat. Fuck. That's what's kind of blocking it here. Am I crazy? Am I not getting a soul catcher? Where are my catchers? Wait. No, seriously, where are my catchers? Wait, do I not have them in the deck? Oh, there's one. Oh, Jesus. Scary. Oh my god, I can play cards on the opponent's turn. Oh no. Wait, hold on, this is fixable. That's easy, hold on. I can fix this. I can fix everything. Okay, that's not intended. Let's just double check that here. Space. Fuck. Okay, that's fine. I can fix this right now. Bug found. Okay. If all that is true, and find card from ID, add creature to the field, move in hand, handle abilities. Okay, none of this should work unless it's in an if statement. So, if... Oh, I guess I could just put this in this if statement, right? Mouse button down, and player turn equals true. So that's the only difference. Let's try it. Studer! Oh, hello! Hello. Do you never look at disassembly? What? All right, hold on. Let's just make sure we can't play during the opponent's turn. I'm spamming. It's still the opponent's turn. Wow, dude, stop playing life pendulums. Ah, perfect. Okay. Bug fixed. Super easy to fix. God bless making your own engine. Okay. So, everything's working. What's next on the agenda list? It's... Well, what is next on the agenda list? Let's just give... I just want to make sure the AI deck works. Let's give Life Pendulum a little fix here. Cards. Where's our switch statement? If the ability is Pendulum casts life plus equals 2. So that's bugged out now. Oh, because we switched around these. Right. Okay. Where's my ability here? Photosynthesis. Where's my, Pendulum life? Right. Okay. That's a bit of a problem. Oh, right. I need to add it up here. Okay. Hold on. All right. We got to fix this. This is all fixable. I understand this is going to look horrible, and I accept that about me. Okay. So photosynthesis is our last one. Okay. You guys are going to see something horrible here. And you know what? It's fine. Delete. Fuck, I shouldn't do that. Dun. There we go. Beautiful. That's what I wanted. And we're doing this because this is how we temporarily are doing abilities. We just have to put it in like a giant switch statement, which is fine temporarily. Basically until after the technical demo. Then we want to make sure everything's good. Everything makes sense. We don't need to overhaul the UI. Then once we're good, then we start implementing it correctly. Oops. God damn it. Okay, comma 11, fuck, equals 11, comma, equals 12, comma. 12, 30. Am I out of SimCity 2000 music? Oh my goodness. What about SimCity 4 OST? There we go. Vibes. Nothing is more permanent than a temporary patch. Hey! I'll have you know. It's only temporary because we're streaming it. Chad, does anyone else just make video games for fun? You guys know I'm not going to charge any money for this, right? I'm going to put this on Steam. Fuck charging money for it, okay? You guys deserve better. What's happening? Shield Hope is an undeclared modifier. What? Undeclared? Wait. Dive. Photosynthesis. Dive. Wait. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh, Jesus. Okay, hold on. Photo... No. Can I get away with adding it at the bottom? Photosynthesis equals 22. Okay, and then what else did I not add? Shield Hope. Okay, I thought I had Shield Hope up there still, but okay, makes sense. Shield Hope. Oh. This is... Oh! Shield Hope, Shield Bone Wall. I spaced it incorrectly. That's what happened. Okay, sweet. Okay, we're gonna fail to load a lot of abilities here, but let me just see the damage real quick before we continue. Life Pendulum is there. Currently, it does not work, but that's okay. So Life Pendulum doesn't work. Element table, P2 count, plus equals 2. It's getting the ability number wrong? Is this an issue where multiple abilities are sharing the same ID again? 22, 21, 20. Oh, I know why. It's not matching the order. So, Chaos Life, Eagle's Eye should be the last two. You know what? I bet if I switch this enumerator around, it's gonna work. It's photosynthesis, that's off. It's after dive, right? Is it after dive? This is really important because I'm not gonna do these numbers again because I'm losing patience, okay? Dive, photosynthesis. Okay, now we do the goofy shit. 11. And then 12, 13, 14. Gary, this is so inefficient. Yes, I know. Okay, trust me. I know. This is like the worst. Okay, 22, go. Now let's see if pendulum works. So right now we're just testing it by giving it +2 quanta. Okay, there's the turn, and it worked. Sweet. Okay, so it was an enumerator issue, which is fine. That's easy to recognize. So now this works, but what we need, we have a way to keep track of the turn number easily. You know what? I have an idea, because we're having this issue a lot. Under field, I'm just gonna give a little bit of int turn number here, just so we can keep track of it in a way where I don't have to bounce that fucking parameter around everywhere. Int turn number, hold on, field. Int turn number is defaulted to 0 before I forget. Now I update the turn number when AI move to make is false. Turn number +1, and then, oh, I guess I can offset turns now. So player 1 field dot, god damn it. Player 1 field dot, ooh, save it, sorry. Turn number is equal to turn number. There we go, sweet. And then when our turn ends, when we press space and we don't die, make player 2 field dot turn number go up. So that way the turn number goes up, like offsets each other, you know? Okay, sweet. And now, as part of that, we can come back to our card values here. This imports fields, so now, under pendulum life, now it's gonna be player 2 count plus equals field dot turn number semicolon. All right, it's that easy. Now let's see what pendulum increases. So we should see the turn number under that 0 there. So I just passed it to him. Should increase by 0 or 1. Oh, that worked. Oh, that was perfect. Okay, hold on. So I'm gonna press space. It should end with 2 life. Leaf dragon. Oh, it worked. Oh my God. Guys, I'm so fucking good at this game. Okay, space. Okay, so now this is cool. So now he didn't use Leaf Dragon's ability because that needs whatever. That's not even an issue with the engine. It's just, it looks like it's on. Okay, failed to load ability. That's fine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna press space, and what should happen is he immediately uses Leaf Dragon's ability to gain 4 life quanta, and then some magical things are gonna happen. So use the ability. Plays Life Pendulum. Uh-oh. That's a problem. I need to make the effect unique. Okay, that's the next thing I need to do. Okay, so this needs to be unique. If this, oh my God. How do I check if it's already been done? Adds to this. If this number, I can't put greater than 0. We have to be super clear. Well, this is when I would back up a bit and have like some sort of like flag for stackable relics, but I'm not going to do that for this because this is the only relic in the whole alpha test that has this effect. So what we'll do is just if player 2 count is greater than equal to field dot turn number, then, or is less than, I should say, then do this. But if not, then don't. That's all we'll do for now. It's not a permanent solution, but it's good enough for the alpha test. So let's try it again. There's our life pendulum. Okay, I'm waiting for him to play more than 1 life pendulum, by the way. There's Firefly, sweet. By the way, there we would have played a vulture. Leaf Dragon, he played an empathic bond, another Firefly. Lots of generation. Leaf Dragon, it should play a dragon. Or an actual dragon. Firefly Queen, there's our Jade Dragon. Oh, look at that efficient quanta usage. All right, we're gonna press space. I just wanna keep seeing him use the abilities. So Leaf Dragon, Firefly Queen. Oh, playing it, okay, that's fine. Firefly Queen. So this is the actual pace. So their deck's done. It's finished. This is the finished deck. Except for Hope, but we won't talk about that yet. There, boom, boom. Firefly, Firefly, Firefly. Lots of light quanta generated. So now the idea is, okay, well now there's a bunch of Fireflies, but I'm gonna, at this point you have a pretty big board and it's kind of getting like a close kind of fight off, you know? But now they're generating so many Fireflies that the Leaf Dragons can't keep up. And now at the beginning of the turn, he's gonna play Hope. So there should be Hope. So once we fix Hope, theirs is done. So at this point, I want to say you didn't lose the game, but you got to grow a lot and trigger a lot of bone walls. Okay, so now Shield Hope. Oh God, wait. I have player HP, right? Yes. And it's my HP. Okay, perfect. So, I guess for now we could just heal based on number of bioluminescence creatures on the field. So I need some ranged for loops. So 4 value, oh, whoops. Auto reference value field dot creature row 1. So we'll do our creature counter shit here. In fact, I can just copy and paste this whole thing. How do I do this here in like one simple function versus like everything else? So we're gonna do the same thing with here with creature counters. So creature count. Oh, I know. If is taken equals true and L value dot. Ooh, we need a temp creature. Local creature is equal to copy, delete. Wait, I have the creature, don't I? Oh, I do. Oh, Gary, you're so wise. Okay. And oh no, I need the creature list though. Ah, fuck. I mean, I have the creature list to compare with. I'm trying to find if a given value. Okay, so what we need is creature, local creature. No, not there. I'm trying to think in my head about how to do this. So if that's true, and once that's found, L creature. Creature, local creature is equal to find creature. Oh god. Find card from. I don't have find card from ID. Oh shit. How in the fuck? Well, there's only one creature with L value dot ID is equal to creature list 4 dot ID. That's the only creature that's going to have L value dot is taken is equal to true. That's the only creature with bioluminescence. So again, this is another band-aid fix, but for our purposes, it's fine. So that's every creature with bioluminescence plus creature counter. So now what do we do with it? And then at the end, we reset it. So what do we do with this creature counter variable to reduce damage taken by that amount? Well, if the idea of hope is that every... I guess what I could do is... Oh, no. I was about to say heal you for the amount you take damage from. But would that work if we have like 20 fireflies on the field and you only hit them for 5? Probably not, right? So it's going to be... It's difficult to say without knowing how much damage you receive in the moment. It makes me think we really do need to have an independent way of calculating shields because it's such a unique mechanic. I guess for now, we'll just do it the cheesy way, which is just heal you for the amount up to a certain point. So player, or I guess, what did I call it? Is it HP? Player HP. Player HP plus equals... oh god. No, I can't do this here. We'll plus creature counter. And then reset it at the end? Or I guess I can call a different function, like use shield or add to shield value. Like do some function like that. In any case, this is the plan, okay? It's getting late. My neighbors are gonna hate me. Space Cadet Aphrodite, probably in about maybe 3 or 4 hours when you're in bed. I'm gonna send you the drive to download the technical demo. I only have like 3 things left to do, and it's all abilities, and it's gonna be boring to watch. So I'm just gonna do it off stream. It's already done, so even if I don't get what I want accomplished today, you're getting a version of the tech demo, okay? I promise, okay? You will have something to stream tomorrow that isn't just art, so you can try out the game. It will be available to everyone tomorrow. We need to get this technical demo done so we can move on to like animation and sound. And really, honestly, we can do that right now. I can pretty the game up however much I want now. We're done with engine stuff. All we're doing now is implementation. Adding abilities, finding balance, adding art, all that crap. At this point, we're just content, you know? We've made the game. So, that's what we're gonna do. So let me just save this, and that's it for today. Look forward to Space Cadet Aphrodite stream in the morning tomorrow, 7 a.m. my time, 10 a.m. Eastern-ish. And I'll see you guys later. Have a good night, have a good evening. I'll be there too. Goodbye.